Exercise 7.2 first question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. Here the line segment joining point is given, ratio is given. We have to find out what is the coordinate of that point. Here I am going to take one line segment, that is A of minus 1 comma 7, B of 4 comma minus 3. So AB is the line segment that coordinate minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3. In this line segment divides 2:3 ratio. So what is the coordinate of the line segment divides? So we have to find out what is P of x comma y. So here ratio is given, coordinate is given. I am going to apply the section formula. Before you have to write, let P of x comma y be the required point. Required point. By using section formula, so what is the section formula? P of x comma y equal to m into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 by m plus n. This is the section formula. So we have to write A of minus 1 comma 7, this is x1 y1, B of 4 comma minus 3, this is x2 y2. So ratio m is to n, that is 2:3. We have to substitute the values in this formula. M is 2, x2 is 4 plus n is 3, x1 is minus 1 by m plus n, 2 plus 3, comma m is 2, y2 is minus 3 plus n is 3, y1 is 7 by 2 plus 3. So we have to simplify this one. So next step, 4 2s are 8, minus 3 by 5, comma minus 6 plus 21 by 5. So if you are simplifying, 8 minus 3, 5. So 5 by 5, comma minus 6 plus 21, 15. 15 by 5. So by using 5 table one time, here using 5 table 3 times. So P of x comma y, the point is 1 comma 3. Therefore the required point P of x comma y is 1 comma 3.
Sum number 2. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. The line segment coordinate is given. At the same time, that line segments is divides 3 equal parts. Trisection means 3 equal parts. Here, this is one of the line segment. Here I am going to take A of 4 comma minus 1 and B of minus 2 comma minus 3. This line segments is divides trisection. Trisection means 3 equal parts. Here P of x comma y, then Q of A comma B, because they ask find the coordinates of the points trisections. The AB is the line segment, it divides 3 equal parts. We have to find out what is the coordinate of P of x comma y and Q of A comma B. So equal ratio. We are going to take equal ratio because trisection means all the ratios should come equal. So first we have to find out P of x comma y. So APB to PB by using section formula. So what the ratios will come? 1:2. So ratio is That is m is to n, 1 is to 2. What is the coordinate? A of 4 comma minus 1. This is x1, y1. Then b of minus 2 comma minus 3. This is x2, y2. So two coordinate is that, ratio is that. We are going to apply section formula. Let the point P of x comma y be the required point. So by using section formula, what is the section formula? P of x comma y equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. So we have to substitute the values in this formula. M is 1, x2 is minus 2 plus n is 2, x1 is 4 by m plus n. So 1 plus 2, comma m is 1, y2 is minus 3 plus n is 2, y1 is minus 1 by 1 plus 2. So next one. 1 2s are 2, plus into minus, minus 2. Here 4 2s are 8 by 3, comma 1 3s are 3, plus into minus, minus. Here 1 2s are 2, plus into minus, minus 2 by 3. So next step, minus 2 plus 8, 6, 6 by 3, comma minus 3 minus 2, minus 5 by 3. So you can use 3 table 2 times. Therefore, the required point P of x comma y is 2 comma minus 3 by 5. So P of x comma y is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So next one we have to find out the coordinate of Q of a comma b. So we have to take the ratio AQ to QB. What is AQ distance here? 2. Then QB is 1. So ratio, next one ratio, m is to n, 2 is to 1. So A coordinate is 4 comma minus 1, this is x1, y1. Then B coordinate is 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 3, this is x2, y2. So again using section formula, Q of A comma B equal to m x2. M is 2, x2 is minus 2 plus n is 1, x1 is 4 by m plus n, 2 plus 1, comma m is 2, y2 is minus 3 plus n is 1, y1 is minus 1 by 2 plus 1. We have to simplify this one. 2 2s are 4, plus into minus, minus 4. 1 4s are 4 by 2 plus 1, 3, comma here minus 6 minus 1 by 3. So next step, minus 4 plus 4 can cancel, 0. 0 by anything, 0, comma minus 6 minus 1, minus 7 by 3. Therefore the Q of A comma B, the coordinate is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Therefore Q of A comma B equal to coordinate 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Sum number 3. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shape school ground ABCD. See, this ABCD is one of the rectangular shape ground. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. These lines used by chalk powder. Of distance 1 meter each. Each distance is 1 meter. Then 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. So the AD distance is 100. Each distance they are keeping 1 flower pots. Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD. So what is AD distance? AD equal to 100 meter. So Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance. So 1/4 of the distance, that is 1/4 of 100. We cancel 25 times. On the second line, so Niharika starts from second line. So what we have to find out what is the Niharika positions. So 2 comma 25. So it started from second line up to etc. 25 meter she crossed and post a green color flag. She is posting green color flag here. Preet runs 1/5 of the distance. 1/5 of the distance AD 100. We have cancelled 20 times. So on the 8th line, Preet started from 8th line. So this distance is 20 meter. So he posts a red color flag. So what the distance between both the flags? We have to find out distance between the both flags here. So this is Niharika position, that is 2 comma 25. Then Preet position is P of 8 place, 8 comma 20. So P of 8 comma 20. We have to find out distance between A and P. So we have to apply the distance formula. Distance formula, square root of x2 minus x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, which is equal to square root of, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x2 is 2 minus x1 is 2 the whole square plus y2 is 20 minus y1 is 25 the whole square. So next step, square root of 8 minus 2, 6 square. Then 20 minus 25 minus 5 the whole square. Then square root of 6 square is 36, 5 square is 25. So 36 plus 25 square root of 61 meter. Therefore distance between Niharika and Preet is square root of 61 meter. Next question. If Rashmi asks to post a new blue flag exactly half of the between the line segment. So here Rashmi is posting blue color flag. So half of the line segments. Half of the line segment we have to find out midpoint formula. The line segment joining two flags. So Rashmi's, that is R of x comma y, we have to use midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. See what is x1? x1 is 2, y1 is 25. You have to substitute. So 2, x2 is 8 by 2, comma y1 is 25 plus y2 is 20 by 2. Next step, 10 by 2, comma 45 by 2. If you are cancelled by 2 table 5 times. So 5 comma, if you are converting to decimal, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So what is the Rashmi's position? She is posting the flag 5th line 22.5 meter distance. Sum number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. Here line segment coordinate is given. The line segment divides the point is also given. We have to find out what is the ratio of this line segment. Here this is one of the line segment. Then A of, what is the first coordinate? Minus 3 comma 10 and B of 6 comma minus 6. AB is the line segment. The line segment divides by which point? Minus 1 comma 6. Point A of minus 1 comma 6. So what is the ratio of this line segment? So the ratio we don't know. I'm going to take M is to N. So let the ratio be, M is to N. So we have to apply section formula. We can find the ratios by using section formula. What is the section formula here? P of x comma y equal to m into x2 plus n x1 by m plus n comma m into y2 plus n into y1 by m plus n. So we have to find out the ratio. See this one as it is m is to n. So what is x1, y1, x2, y2? This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Then what is p of x comma y? That is p of minus 1 comma 6. M we do know. What is x2? 6 plus n. x1 is minus 3 by m plus n. Next one, m, y2 is minus 8 plus n into y1 is 10 by m plus n. So next step, 6 into m, 6 m, here 3 minus 3 into n minus 3n by m plus n, comma minus 8m plus 10n by m plus n. This is x comma y. This is x, this is y. So we can equating the coefficient terms. That is, this is also x comma y. We can equate minus 1 comma 6. So I am going to equating these two terms. If you are equating 6 comma this also, you will get same answer only. So minus 1 equal to 6m minus 3n by m plus n. Take the cross multiply. Minus of m plus n equal to 6m minus 3n. So next one, minus m minus n equal to 6m minus 3n. Minus m plus 6m come that side, minus 6m equal to minus 3n is there. Here it comes plus n. So here both signs are equal. So minus 7m equal to, here alternative we can subtract, minus 2n. So minus minus will cancel. So 7m equal to 2n. So it can m by n equal to 2 by 7. So they ask the ratio. So m is to n equal to 2 is to 7. Therefore the line segment divides the ratio 2 is to 7. Sum number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A of 1 comma minus 5 and B of minus 4 comma 5 is divided by x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. The line segment coordinate is given. At the same time, the line segments divides by the x-axis is given. We have to find out what is the ratio of these line segments. Here, this is one of the line segment. So the coordinate A of 1 comma minus 5 and B of minus 4 comma 5. This line segments is divided by x-axis. If a point lies on x-axis, the y coordinate is 0. So P of x comma 0. So we have to find out what is the ratio of this line segments. So let P of x comma y, x comma 0 be the required point. So by using section formula, we can find out the ratio. So the section formula, P of x comma y equal to m into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 by m plus n. So ratio m is to n. So what is the coordinate? A of 1 comma minus 5. This is x1, y1. So B of minus 4 comma 5. This is x2, y2. So P of x comma y. Here P of x comma y is P of x comma 0. M, x2 is minus 4 plus n, x1 is 1 by m plus n, comma m, y2 is 5 plus n, y1 is minus 5 by m plus n. So next step, minus 4m plus n by m plus n, comma 5m plus minus 5n by m plus n. Here p of x comma 0. So if I am equating these first two terms, I can't find out mn because here x is there. That way I am going to equating 0 comma this one. 0 equal to 5m minus 5n by m plus n. If you take the cross multiply, 0 only. So 0 is equal to 5m minus 5n. So 5m equal to 5n. So m by n equal to 5 by 5. So 5 will cancel. That ratio is 1 by 1. That is 1 is to 1. So we got the ratio m is to, this is m is to n. They ask question one more. Find the coordinates of the point of decision. We have to substitute the ratio values in this formula. Then we have to find out the point of division also. So p of x comma 0 equal to m is 1. Then what is x2? x2 is minus 4. Then plus n is 1. x1 is 1 by 1 plus 1, 2. Come on, next m is 1. y2 is 5 plus n is 1. Then y1 is minus 5. m plus n, that is 1 plus 1, 2. Then you have to simplify. That is minus 4 plus 1 ones are 1 by 2, comma 1 5s are 5. Here is also 1 5s are 5, minus is there. So minus 5 by 2. So if you are simplifying this one, minus 3 by 2, comma minus 5 plus 5, 0. 0 by anything, 0. Therefore, the required point p of x comma 0 is minus 3 by 2 comma 0.